Hey guys, what up? In this video I want to talk about Iran's stock market. As you can see, Tehran's stock market, we have we have different industries like oil industries or banking or metals, a lot of shit. It's about 600, more than 6 or 700 stocks we got here, and that's the index, stock index. And as you can see, we have this massive growth, and this since 2019 we had this massive growth here. It's about let's say since 2019 it was about, it hit its highest high, more than 288% growth. But after that we had this crash here. It was massive. At this point in July 2020, 2020 we had this crash here. It was really fucked up, and more than like 50% or so we have this correction here. But as you can see, I already determined some analysis and did some analysis here. We have this first leg down and second leg down and third and fourth. I showed with this arrows, and if you look closely, we had this wedge bottom here. First first push down, second and third push down, and but we had this bear breakout. We don't expect to see bear breakout. We expect to see a bull breakout above wedge bottom, but it turned out that it's a flag actually, and we had this second leg down. And if you use this Fibonacci channel, you can see, okay, this leg is kind of as high as large as the first one, and we have exactly this leg at this level. And after that, another leg down. After this correction, another leg down, and we had this flat. If you know price action, you understand that, okay, when we have this bear legs and they gradually become more horizontal rather than vertical, you see it's a weakness, and they're losing their power and strength. So you see this gradually they lose their strength, and we have bigger and bigger corrections, bull corrections, and the distance between this leg down and this one is become smaller. And we see here there's no literally space and distance between this bottom and this one, but there was some distance between this and this one, and we used to have this distance between this first leg and the second one. Now we consider this as a kind of a trading range, and if you use a Fibonacci, you can see at this point in July we had this bull leg up. It was 40 more than 45% growth, and but after that we again saw another leg down, 24%, 25% correction. Right now I'm talking to you, price is in a bear trend. Let me get rid of this arrow, and if you draw a line, you can see we are in a bear channel maybe, and we had this correction, and as you already know, you might guess, all the medias, it's filled with news about, okay, the stock market is getting back, is moving up, it's positive, but it's not, it's just a correction. When we are in a bear trend, bear channel, we see bull corrections, we see bull pullbacks. That's totally normal. And after price touched this recent bottom, we expect to see another leg down, at least at this point. But I guess if this situation doesn't change, we can expect to see the price even at this bottom again, which is I don't know, 1,100,000, 1.100K level. No, it's not right. 1,100,000 level. Yeah, we can see it at this bottom. For some of you who might not aware of Iran's situation, I should say it's the first presidential round and period, and in first round we have a law that the government tries to keep the prices down and control the inflation. So in this term they try to keep this down, and we just it's not even it hasn't been a year, so we expect to see the price and index in this triangle and bouncing inside this triangle for another 3 years, and which is 2025 or 2026. Yeah, but we can get this bull corrections. There is a point about stock market I didn't mention, that in Iran you just can trade in bull trend. You can't take short position. You can only take long positions. Yeah, that sucks. And so when market crashes, the best thing to do is just liquid your position or get out of the position and wait until market get back and market get back to its bull trend. But in a bear trend you can't do shit about it, and that's one of the biggest disadvantage of this market. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestion, you can just share it with me. And just wait a minute. That's really interesting. If you consider this leg up is major trend, and this one as a correction, we are at some important level here, which is 78%. And yeah, a minor reversal happened, but who knows, maybe it turns into a major reversal and we see price higher levels. Or if I use this Fibo channel, let me see. That would be a target, and yeah, why not? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.